In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror a JPG image in LibreOffice. This is a quick and useful formatting trick if you want to reverse an image, create a mirrored effect, or simply turn a picture upside down inside your document without needing any separate image editing software. Everything can be done directly in LibreOffice Writer in just a few clicks. To begin, open your LibreOffice Writer file and make sure the JPG image you want to edit is already inserted into the document. Once your file is open, locate the image you want to mirror. Next, click directly on the image to select it. This step is important because LibreOffice needs to know which object you want to work with before the flip options become available. When the image is selected, you should see handles or a border around it, confirming that it's active and ready to be edited. After that, right-click on the image. This will open the context menu where you'll find several formatting and image options. Take a moment here to make sure you're clicking on the image itself and not just near it, since the menu can change depending on what is selected in the document. In the menu that appears, hover over the option labeled Rotate or Flip. A submenu will open with the available flip choices. If you want to create a mirror image, select Flip horizontally. This will reverse the image from left to right, which is the option most people use when they want a mirrored result. If instead you want to turn the image upside down, choose Flip vertically. That will reverse it from top to bottom. As soon as you click your preferred option, the image will update immediately in the document. There's no need to save or apply the change separately, although it's always a good idea to save your file afterwards so you don't lose your edits. And that's it. You've successfully mirrored a JPG image in LibreOffice. As a final tip, if the result doesn't look the way you expected, you can simply use undo and try the other flip option instead. This makes it easy to experiment and get the exact orientation you want. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to quickly flip or mirror an image right inside LibreOffice Writer.